Here in Meersburg, perched on a steep vineyard terrace above Lake Constance, you're walking through a living timeline. The town's name, first recorded in 998 AD, literally means castle on the sea. Meersburg is home to one of Germany's oldest inhabited castles. The Alte Burg, or Old Castle, stands where a 7th century Merovingian fortress once towered over the lake. It later became the seat of the Prince-Bishops of Constance and eventually a private residence. Today, it's a captivating museum filled with medieval halls, kitchens, and a chapel. Right next to it is the Neues Schloss, the new castle, constructed between 1710 and 1743 under Bishop Johann Franz II von Stauffenberg and enhanced by Baroque architect Balthasar Neumann. Inside, you'll find elegant salons, art collections, and stunning views over the lake. Down in the mittelalterliche Altstadt, narrow cobblestone streets twist between half-timbered houses, medieval gates, and charming cafes. It feels like stepping back in time. Annette von Droste-Hülshoff, one of Germany's most famous poets, spent her final years here in the Old Castle, from 1841 to 1848. Meersburg also has a modern side, the Meersburg-Bodensee, a wine museum built around a 1607 wine press, showcases the region's centuries-old winemaking tradition. And for history buffs, the Zeppelin Museum presents artifacts and archival items tracing the age of airships from 1900 to 1937. Finally, don't miss the panoramic views, either from the castle terraces or the lakeside promenade over the clear waters of the Bodensee toward the Swiss Alps. It's a small town packed with history, culture, and scenery, compact yet enriching.